This video is on high-risk car insurance companies online to consider. I did a Google search on this topic and I got over 90 million results on this topic. We're taking a look here at the first page of those results. You have a lot of different articles here on that. We're going to take a look at the first tab here. This is progressive, less than perfect driving record, competitive car insurance rates, and automatic SR22 filings if needed. You just put in your zip code and you can get a free quote here. The next tab here is onlineautoinsurance.com. You put in your zip code and they compare rates with about 30 different auto insurance companies. They have 9 of those companies scrolling here across the screen, and if you look down here in the middle, they have more information. It's a complete online quote comparison to select the cheapest car insurance rates, and then they have more information down here on that. Next tab here is from directgeneral.com. High-risk auto insurance coverage. They have an article here. You can also get a quote online. Just pick the type of insurance you want and put in your zip code, and you can compare these together. And there's an article here on Yahoo Voices, cheap high-risk auto insurance, that you can read. And they also list some of the insurance companies that offer high-risk auto insurance. Now, just about every auto insurance company will offer high-risk auto insurance, but of course it will be higher for a person that's had some tickets, or maybe a DUI, or had their driver's license suspended, or had a lapse in coverage, or if you live in a high crime area where there's a lot of vehicle vandalism or auto theft. These are all things that might put you in a high risk category. So you are going to pay more than a person that has a clean driving record, is over 25 years old, and lives in an area where there's low crime rates, has continuous auto insurance. So these are all factors that you have to deal with. Next tab here, next page. This is carinsuranceComparison.com. What are the best high-risk car insurance companies? You can scroll down here and read that. If you want to read any of these articles on your own, just make note of the URL in the address bar. And the next page here is goodtogo.com, high-risk drivers and high-risk auto insurance. You can see here in the article things that make a high-risk driver. Some of the things I talked about: newly licensed drivers, young teen drivers. Also, if you're elderly, over 70, have no prior insurance, a poor credit history. Now, I don't know of any auto insurance companies that actually look at your credit history. I guess some could if they wanted to, but I've never had a auto insurance company ever ask me if they can look at my credit report, so I don't know what companies would do that. If you live in a high crime rate, have multiple traffic violation, involved in car accidents, whether it was your fault or not. And if you can get a quote here, just put in your zip code. And again, if you want to read these articles on your own, just look in the address bar there and you can get those URLs there. This has been a video on high-risk car insurance companies online to consider. I hope this helps you out and have a great day. Bye-bye.